Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're making a custom maple firefighting emblem. Just to give you an idea of the size, this is 1.5 inches thick and roughly 2 feet or 24 inches diameter if you spun it around really fast. Now this was done all with our CNC router you see behind me here. There's two parts to this project. One was hollowing in the center, and that's because the customer will be going over it with resin, red resin, and doing a paint fill with that. And then it was to cut out the whole diameter of the piece, as you see here. Now when it comes to making custom plaques like this, we can literally make them out of any size, any shape, and any material. In this case here, it's a firefighting emblem. Just look online, you'll see what it looks like. We make quite a few of these. This is the first one we do in maple of this size. Generally we do them out of metal, but this actually came out really, really nice. The nice thing about a process is that afterwards, if you wanted to have it, let's say laser engraved instead of resin filled, or a mix and match, or whatever you wanted, we can do it for you here in the shop and ship it right to your door. So if you're looking for custom stuff for firefighter or firefighting, or something totally unrelated but you want a nice, large, solid plaque to give to somebody, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.